Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 2. I have a few things that I wanted to go over real quick with you. First of all, this week we're starting to do the discussion board, and I wanted to make a few points about the discussion board. To get to the discussion boards each week, you can find it in content, but you can also come to the discussion tab right here, and we'll take you to the discussion boards for each week. So here's lesson 1 discussions. Each lesson or each week has 2 discussion boards. The first one is the questions and conversations discussion board, and that one is not required. That's where you can ask questions, you can tell the class about things that are going on. This questions and conversations discussion board is for you to use to contact everyone in the class, but it is not required. The second discussion board that says class discussion, this one is required. This one is where you're going to answer your question that you get in your lesson for the week. And a few points about the discussion board. And I have these listed below so you can follow along. The first one is when you're writing a post, when you're replying to someone, don't address it to one person. Try not to address it to the person who wrote the original post. You're talking to everyone in the group. So you can say, hi everyone, or you can just not put a subject that you're talking to, because we're talking to everyone in the entire class, not just to the one person. Ask questions. If you have a question about something, ask questions. Or if you want someone to clarify something that they said, ask a question. That helps with the discussion board. Share analogies and stories. Share things that have happened in your life that are related to what we're discussing. Use paragraphs or bullet points. Make sure that one subject is in a paragraph, and then when you change subjects, write a different paragraph. And bullet points are also great. So you could say, these are the things that I have learned about this topic, and you can use the little bullet points. Okay? That makes it easier to read for us and easier for us to understand. Use links. If you have a scripture that you would like to share, you're welcome to find the scripture and then just post the link and then talk about the scripture, or a story or a talk or a website or something. You're welcome to put links in there. And the last suggestion is to dig deeper. We know that these discussions can be very helpful in getting information from each other, but we need to dig deeper. We need to really think about how this affects our lives and how it has affected our life, and then share that and think about how you can really contribute to the discussion board. And just remember, you need to have 5 posts each week. So they can all be replies. If someone already is talking about a subject that you want to talk about, you don't need to post a new thread. You can just reply to that person and add to the discussion, okay? But you have to post 5 times. They can be 1 post and then 4 replies, or they can be 5 replies. But you need to post 5 times to get full credit for the discussion board. 2 other things that I want to show you real quick on here. As you're going through and doing the exercises each week, I want to show you down here in resources. Right here is the textbook, Math 100L textbook. This will give you access to the entire textbook, and it has all the exercises and all the reading in it. It opens up where I was at it last, which is section 2.1, exercise part C, but it has everything in here. When you're doing an exercise for an assignment for the class, and it has a link just to that one part of the textbook. But if you want to go and look at something in the textbook, this is the link right here in resources, which will take you to the entire textbook, and you can find everything in here that you need. Okay? The second thing that I want to show you, we're going to go back to the table of contents so you can see how I get to this. Back down in resources again. Whoa, I don't think I went to resources. There we go. Now I'm in resources. So this is the textbook. This right here is online math help. I know some of you are a little bit nervous about doing math. So they have online math help where they can help you right away anytime you need help. So when you click on online math help over here in the class, it opens up a new tab and it takes you to this web page. And right here, this third option, Pathway Students Get Math Help Now. If you click on this, this is open. Right now it says the math lab is closed. We will be opening again soon. This has certain hours that it is open. If you look down here, the online math help hours, and these are all Mountain Daylight Time. So you can figure that out according to what time zone you're in. But when it's open, all you have to do is type in your name, put the class that you're in, and then type in the question you have. So if you're stuck on a problem, you can type in, I'm stuck on exercise 2.1C number 18, and I don't know how to do it. And then someone will come up and chat with you and help answer your question. So this is very helpful if you need help right away. If you're stuck and you need help right away, this is what you should do. All right. If you're stuck on a big part of an assignment, like maybe an entire assignment, you don't understand any of it, you might want to email me and we can arrange a time to meet online. And I can give you some more information. I can teach you the whole topic again. I can help you solve the problems in your exercises. So any of those things. So those are 2 resources for you if you get stuck. There's the online math help, or you can contact me and we can arrange a time to meet. So I hope you have a wonderful week and enjoy the class.